Tesla stock has been exchanging at exceptionally low costs for a long time, and there have been remarks about why this might be occurring and the likelihood that the organization's stock price will return up. The outline emanates vulnerability, encompassing Tesla's stock valuation. Tesla financial backer Dan Ives has said that Tesla stock should have a critical flood from now on, and these 9 things should be carried out for that to happen. Hello folks, invite back to Tesla tomorrow. Dan Ives is quite a Tesla bull and a gigantic fan at the Securities Exchange. He's likewise an overseeing chief and senior value research examination covering the innovation area at Wedge Shrub Security beginning around 2018. In 2022, the Tesla financial backer expressed that regardless of the production network, Tesla's conveyance numbers were joined with a great profit. Beat addresses an EV request direction that looks very vigorous for the vehicle organization, and presently the stock financial backer has referred to how Elon Musk needs to help Tesla stock cost return up. What are the 9 impetuses for Tesla stock as per Dan Ives? We should figure it out yet before we do. On the off chance that you like this sort of satisfaction, remember to like and buy in and turn on warnings to move exceptional on everything along with Tesla number 1, name a chief for Twitter. Toward the finish of January, numerous Tesla financial backers accepted that Elon Musk is investing a lot of energy in Twitter and isn't giving sufficient opportunity to his EV organization. Musk's new organization will call for a ton of investment and an obligation to welcome it back into the groove again to make monstrous income, the tech master had recently told Twitter representatives in a gathering that Twitter needs to get more enthusiastic spends for the situation. Where it doesn't, there will probably be a gigantic negative income, which could prompt Chapter 11 anyway. Late news has shown that Elon Musk may, before long, beginning coordinating a greater amount of his consideration back on Tesla, as he is hoping to surrender the administrative obligation regarding Twitter to another person. The Tesla president has expressed that there is plausible in giving over the administration of Toyota to another person when the stage is ultimately set in on the right direction. A few other examination, like Gary Dark, additionally accepted that except if Elon Musk alters his perspective on venturing down as the Twitter chief, then it might be generally terrible information for Tesla stock. Number 2, quit selling stocks and embrace a conventional arrangement for when to sell shares again. I simply needs should it officially take on an arrangement for when you will sell shares. Elon Musk has been selling Tesla shares in bigger sums in the past couple of months, as of late selling around 22 million Tesla shares in 29 separate exchanges worth generally $3.6 billion. Last year, the Tesla president uncovered that he had sold 19.5 million portions of the vehicle organization worth $3.95 billion, only days subsequent to finishing a $44 billion takeover of Twitter. And in the wake of expressing that he was finished selling with Musk as the president of Twitter, it is unsure whether he will keep selling Tesla shares, particularly as significant changes keep on being executed in the virtual entertainment organization, and a requirement for additional assets and consideration increments partial to student control over the virtual entertainment organization recently in the midst of worries from financial backers. And since the automaker's stock cost has encountered a couple of floods with various drops occasionally, not just has this new pursuit course required a level of his investment, passing on less opportunity to take care of Tesla. Some examiners had expressed that for Tesla stock cost to recuperate from the plunge, Elon Musk can't sell more Tesla shares until final quarter income are delivered towards the finish of January. Number 3, cut back on forceful development gauges for Tesla bull. Dan Ives additionally concluded that Musk needs to bring down his net goals for Tesla and select more sensible objectives. He anticipates that the Tesla chief should spread out moderate 2023 conveyance objectives and focus on them. As per Ives, the 50 development target isn't going on as he would see it, and a 35 or more conveyance development appears to be more hittable and reasonable for 2023. Elon Musk had recently said that Tesla deals will develop by more than 50% in 2022 compared to deals in 2021. As per the Tesla chief, 2021 was a leading-edge year for Tesla and for electric vehicles overall. He added that while Tesla struggled with store network difficulties all through the year, the organization figured out how to increase volumes by almost 90%. Number 4 declared that digital truck conveyance will start 1 year from now. Tesla's digital truck has remained one of the automaker's most expected and postponed projects regardless of divulging it in 2019. Tesla has neglected to enter the digital truck into creation anyway, and the vehicle organization has affirmed that the Cybertron is coming in 2023, albeit the authority creation of this unadulterated electric pickup truck is supposed to initiate just recently with a significant increase probably booked toward the start of 2024. As of now, during the time spent tooling for the electric pickup truck, as per Tesla's notable financial backer Gary Dark, the automaker could convey 10,000 digital trucks in 2023. This comes when Tesla is cruising to uneven waters, and there are a lot of inquiries regarding the digital truck, including what amount of time it will require for Tesla to satisfy the large numbers of requests that it as of now has at number 5 make changes to Tesla's load up to add more individuals with experience in tech and electric vehicles. That Blades likewise recommended that Tesla's body ought to be reshuffled to remember more individuals with experience for the EV business. There is additionally a likelihood that Musk will be passing on his job as Tesla president as per a Tesla load up part. Musk has of late drifted the chance of somebody succeeding him as Tesla's CEO. On the off chance that this is to occur, it ought to be given to somebody who has sound information on the business and is undoubtedly an individual from the Tesla load up. As per ongoing news, Musk has distinguished a potential replacement who could act as chief of Tesla number 6, carry out an enormous offer buyback. An enormous offer buyback has been expected for quite a long time now, and really, as per Leo Kogon, who is Tesla's third biggest investor, Tesla will have a tremendous market cap by 2030, in the event that it can do a $1 trillion buyback between 2026 and 2030. Cochran said in a tweet that he mentioned that Tesla does a $100 billion buyback from 2022 to 2026, and afterward a $1 trillion buyback between that point and 2030. That's what he added. Assuming that Tesla repurchases its portions at $1,000 for every divide between 2026 and 30, it will eliminate $1 billion out of the $3.14 billion offers accessible today, decreasing that number to around $2.14 billion. And since there will be fewer offers for financial backers, stock costs might possibly shoot up from $3,000 to $5,000 for each offer anyway. Tesla financial backer and YouTuber Dave Lee said that Tesla doesn't have serious use needs and can't presently stand to distribute 80 to 90% of its assets to a buyback like this, aside from in the event that it effectively carries out its FSD programming and makes around 20 to 25,000 in working benefit for each vehicle. Number 7, giving more monetary measurements and straightforwardness around edges. 10 Blades keep up with its outflank rating at a $175 cost. Focusing on Tesla stock, he anyway accepts that Tesla needs to get more monetary measurements and straightforwardness around its edge structure. He portrayed this as an unlikely treasure in an organization with additional creation and deals in China, with Giga Berlin and Austin sloping up. He added that drawn-out edges will be key for target roads. Number 8. The more political Musk is on Twitter, the worse it is for offering electric vehicles to the majority. Any Tesla financial backers are of the assessment that Tesla's image picture is enduring a shot. Swims further into legislative issues in his bid to turn Twitter around Tesla's remaining parts intently attached to that of its chief, whose notoriety has expanded with his riches and political movement. However, at that point, I proposed assuming Musk diminishes sharing his political perspectives on Twitter, which would emphatically affect Tesla 9. Spread out a masterful course of action for Twitter that I've said right now. The trepidation is that Twitter's losing cash hand over fist and promoted as an escape, and everything converts into additional misfortunes and potential outcomes of Musk selling more Tesla shares. He added that once another chief is utilized, he can spread out the 3-year technique of Twitter during Musk's underlying days at Twitter. The president, in a gathering with Tesla and Twitter representatives, unveiled that for the organization to arrive at a huge degree of development, there should be space for it to construct income and afterward get more money than it spends. He added that without this, they could be monstrous negative income, which could bring about Chapter 11. Seeing that Musk is committed to raising income as new organization, one might say that Tesla isn't absolutely protected and may keep on seeing less of the president's consideration and devotion. What is your take on Dan Ives' remark on this? Let us stand on down underneath. And remember, whether you need to know more about what Tesla's been doing over the most recent couple of days, you can feel free to tap on this next video on your screen. See you there.